Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it looks like it's going to be another balmy one tomorrow with temperatures reaching the low to mid 70s, and it will cool down for a few days, but overall at or above normal temperatures for the next several weeks, believe it or not. We'll talk a little bit more about that in the extended outlook in just a bit, but first off, got a beautiful storm system shaping up in the eastern Pacific. We've been watching this, and this is going to be part of our next weather maker, but this is a whopper of a storm system, hurricane force winds, but the main impetus is going to be Pacific Northwest into British Columbia, Canada. But the tail end of this, we're going to see a disturbance come around. This is eventually going to detach from that flow and get caught in the zonal flow and hook up with the southern jet stream, the subtropical jet, and eventually deliver some showers to the area, periods of rain, and that's going to happen on Saturday. Slight rain chances tomorrow. We'll get to that in just a bit, but overall a zonal flow across the lower 48, so that's keeping any Arctic intrusions up in Canada and not making it into the U.S. Now on the weather map tonight, some snow showers in upstate New York, East Coast. That's pushing off to the east, but nothing big. Few other snow showers in the Rockies and fixing to get wet on the West Coast with that storm system there. Locally, just high clouds across the area, but you can see some of the stars through those high clouds, and got a nice shot of some gravity wave clouds that Artie Richard took. Check out our social media feed. Real pretty pictures there tonight. Temperature-wise, well, we started off upper 40s to lower 50s, got into the mid-70s, 74 the official high in Lafayette. Now most of us upper 50s to lower 60s, and temperatures don't change a whole lot with those southerly winds. Now, speaking of temperatures, let's open it on up. Look at the 6 to 10 day forecast across the lower 48, and this takes us through January 17th at or above normal temperatures after you average that 6 to 10 day period. That's a week to a week and a half down the road. Then we get to January 21st, still well above normal temperatures. You want to see blue up here if we're going to see any cold air for the rest of the month. So we don't think we're going to see any Arctic outbreaks through the rest of January. February, maybe the first week or two, and then after that, winter may be over for Acadiana. We'll just have to wait and see. As for precipitation in the 6 to 10 day outlook, slightly above normal rainfall. That includes a Saturday system and then maybe one that follows. And then as we get into the third week of January, looks like the subtropical jet stream staying active, so more clouds, some showers, but nothing that looks truly overt as being a strong storm system. So we'll watch the rest of January, but it looks pretty quiet temperature-wise and storm-wise as well. Now, as for the fog tonight, visibility is still good across the area. The model backing off on thick fog, except down by the coast and the coastal waters, or thicker fog back to the west. So we'll watch those trends overnight tonight. The fog should lift, but may not do so as you get into the coastal areas offshore. So as we put Futurecast in motion, a mixture of clouds and fog, and those high clouds may prevent the fog from developing. Temperatures right where they are right now through tomorrow morning, near 60, maybe a few breaks in the clouds tomorrow. That gets us into the 70s, but a cool front pushes on through, maybe a slight chance of a shower, then cooler air moving in as we head into Wednesday morning, and sunshine returning for Wednesday afternoon with temperatures some 10 to 15 degrees cooler. Moving ahead as we get toward the end of the week, there's the part of that storm system that will bring us the chance of rain on Saturday, but Sunday's looking better, at least drier, but it's going to be breezy and cool with temperatures holding in the upper 40s to lower 50s for our Sunday. Temperature-wise tonight, right around upper 50s to lower 60s. Then tomorrow, the model getting a little bit warmer. We may have a shot at 75 tomorrow or 76. And then tomorrow evening, that's when we see the cool down. Temperatures pushing down into the 40s. And then as we head into your Wednesday afternoon, upper 50s to near 60 with mostly sunny skies. Some nice weather where we can wear jackets and sweaters again for the middle part of the week. So fair and mild, some fog developing through daybreak. 59 to 60 year low in Lafayette, a little bit cooler outlying areas. Mid-70s tomorrow, so a balmy day, slight chance of a passing shower, enough to wet the ground, but that's going to be about it for tomorrow. Good looking days for Wednesday and Thursday. Clouds returning Friday, slight rain chance there. Good chance of periods of rain Saturday, but right now it does not look like an overly wet system. And then Sunday, Monday, cool. Temperatures in the mid-30s. That's as low as we will go early next week, maybe for the rest of the month.
Wow. Rest of winter?
Well, I won't say that,
okay.
But I said earlier today, I wouldn't be surprised if we see just 1 or 2 freezes between now and the end of winter.
Sorry, had to put you on the spot.
Oh, thanks.